Hello class 9. Today we are going to continue our exercise 8.1. In our previous few classes we had discussed all the theorems related to this particular exercise, and we have started the exercise also and discussed some questions of this. Let's move forward to the next one, and which is question number 9. So here is a parallelogram ABCD. Let's draw the figure first. So there is a parallelogram ABCD and diagonal BD, and there are 4 points joined here. So this is the figure Q and P. So in parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on the diagonal BD such that DP, where is DP? This is DP, equals to DQ. This part equals to this one. ठीक है, ये आपको given है. So given points are a parallelogram ABCD with diagonal BD such that BQ equals to DP. Right? इतने points आपको given है. What you need to show is to prove first point, triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. Second one, AP equals to CQ. Third one, triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CED. Next one is AQ equals to CP, and the last one is APCQ. CQ is a parallelogram. You have to prove 5 points here. ठीक है, आपको 5 points को यहाँ show करना है इस given figure की help से. So, since ABCD is a parallelogram, this is the most important point. If ABCD is a parallelogram, we have opposite sides equal, opposite sides parallel, right? If ABCD is parallelogram, जो उसकी opposite sides होंगी वो parallel भी होंगी और equal भी होंगी. Now, let's start our proof. So, the first point we have to show is APD is congruent to CQB. APD. Let's see, where is APD? This is APD, right? And CQB, this one, right? आपको इन दोनों triangles को congruent prove करना है. So let's consider these two triangles. In triangle APD and triangle CQB. Let's see what we have in these two triangles. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, we have AD equal to BC. Why? Because they are opposite sides of parallelogram. So we can say AD is equal to BC, and the reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. Next one. One more thing we have, that BQ is equal to DP. This is equal to this, right? And these two lines are also part of these two triangles. So let's see, BQ equals to DP, and this is a given point. Now, what else we have? Since AD is parallel to BC, ABCD is a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Since AD is parallel to BC and BD is acting as a transversal, right? ये दो lines parallel हैं and BD is acting as a transversal, then we will be getting a pair of alternate angle, right? हमें एक pair of alternate angle मिल रहा है, ये दो angles. Let's name them angle 1 and angle 2. So you can say angle 1 equals to angle 2 alternate angles, right? So we have got 3 points. Let's see which congruence rule is applying here. There is a side angle in between and another side. 2 sides and an angle in between. Similarly, 2 sides and an angle in between. So by SAS, दो साइड और उनके बीच का एक एंगल, by SAS rule, triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. We have proved our first point. Now the second part is AB equals to CQ. Let's see if the two triangles are congruent. What we are getting by CPCT. CPCT से इन दोनों triangles में हमें क्या relation मिल रहा है? We are getting AP equals to CQ, right? दो साइड में रिलेशन तो ऑलरेडी हम बता चुके हैं. तीसरी रिमेनिंग साइड कौन सी है? AP, और यहाँ से है CQ. So we will be getting AP equals to CQ. यही प्रूफ करना था. पहले से करेक्शन, ये AP है। सो हमारा सेकंड पॉइंट क्या था, AP इक्वल्स टू CQ, और वो हमें CP/CT से मिल गया। नाउ द थर्ड पॉइंट, AQB and CPD are congruent. So to prove it, let's consider it. अब इस पॉइंट को प्रूव करने के लिए इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को कंसीडर करते हैं। इन ट्रायंगल AQB and triangle CPD. Let's see where are the two triangles. There is AQB, that means this triangle, and CPD, this one. So इन दोनों को congruent prove करना है. We again need to find 3 points so that we can prove them congruent. Let's see how. Again, AB equals to CD because they are opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. That's why AB is equal to CD. AB equals to CD. Reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. Right? Now, next point is BQ equals to DP. ये तो given है. ये वाली side इसके equal है and we are given with this point. So BQ is equal to DP, and this is given. Now we need one more point. So this one equals to this. This equals to this. Again, we can say since AD is parallel to DC and BD is a transversal, we will be getting another. Sorry, AB is parallel to CD and BD is a transversal. We are going to get another pair of alternate angle. ये दोनों sides भी तो parallel है. Opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel. So ये दोनों sides parallel. This is a transversal. तो ये वाला एंगल आपका इसके इक्वल होगा. अगर मैंने इसका नाम 3 दे दिया और ये है 4, so angle 3 equals to angle 4. Reason is alternate angle. Angle 3 equals to 4, alternate interior angles you can say, because ये interior में बन रहा है तो interior angles, alternate interior angles. So let's see which congruence rule applies here. So congruence rule को देखते हैं. So there is a side, angle, another side. So दो sides के बीच का एक angle लिया गया है. That means by SAS rule, right? By SAS rule, triangle AQB is what? Is congruent to triangle CPD. Now, by CPCD, what you get? आपने दो sides के बीच में relation already establish कर लिया था. कौन सी remaining side इस triangle की? AQ और इस triangle की CP. That means we can say AQ is equal to CP by CPCD. AQ equals to CP. I am not writing all the angles क्योंकि बाकी CPCD से बाकी remaining दोनों angles भी equal होंगे, but मैं उसको mention नहीं कर रही because the main point is AQ equals to CP. ठीक है? And this is the fourth point. ये fourth point भी prove करना था. So AQ equals to CP. We have got for our fourth point. Now the last point is APCQ is parallelogram. We have to show that APCQ. Where is APCQ? APCQ is a parallelogram. So what is the property of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. अगर हमने किसी quadrilateral में pair of opposite sides को equal prove कर दिया, then it is a parallelogram, right? So if I name it equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So in quadrilateral, अभी जब तक नहीं पता कि ये parallelogram है, we will consider it as a quadrilateral. So APCQ in quadrilateral APCQ. Using equation 1 and 2, we have AP equals to CQ and AQ equals to CP, right? इस quadrilateral में opposite pair of sides equal है. अगर इनमें से किसी एक को हम parallel में show कर दें, then we can say that it is a parallelogram. Opposite side parallel and opposite side equal. So let's see. क्या CPCD से कुछ और पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं जिससे हम इनको पैरेलल प्रूव कर सकें. So these two sides and an angle. So for this, अगर आपने जब इस ट्रायंगल को इसके कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव किया था तो करस्पॉन्डिंग इसकी एंगल कौन सा होगा? ये होगा, राइट? अगेन जब आपने इस ट्रायंगल को इसके कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव किया था, so आपको क्या मिला होगा? दिस एंगल इक्वल्स टू दिस, क्योंकि ये वाले तो अल्टरनेट एंगल से इक्वल थे ऑलरेडी. ये एंगल इसके बराबर रहा होगा और ये वाला एंगल इसके इक्वल रहा होगा. ठीक है? सो वी कैन से फ्रॉम हियर दैट ये एंगल अगर इसके इक्वल है, देन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ इट will be equal to the remaining part of the above triangle, above angle, right? So from here we can say that since AP is parallel to CQ and AP equals to CQ, therefore APCQ is what? Is a parallelogram. Opposite sides parallel as well as equal, then they are what? They are, it forms a parallelogram. अब मैंने क्यों कहा ये दोनों sides ये वाला ट्रांसवर्स है, राइट, APCQ में. अब अगर मैंने कहा ये वाला एंगल किसके इक्वल है? इसके इक्वल है, तो इसका जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट है, अगर ये आपका ये हो गया मान लो 5 एंड दिस इज 6, तो ये क्या होगा? 180 माइनस 5 एंड 180 माइनस 6, यही होगा. अगर 5 6 के इक्वल तो 180 माइनस 5 विल बी इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 6, राइट. सो अगर alternate pair of angles are equal, that means AP is parallel to CQ, right. तो ये पॉइंट मैंने यहाँ पूरा मेंशन नहीं किया, दैट विल बी योर होमवर्क. ये आपके लिए होमवर्क है कि इसको आप पूरी तरह से प्रूव करो कि हाउ डू यू गेट AP पैरेलल CQ. आई हैव डिस्कस्ड हाउ इट इज बीन प्रूव्ड. आप इसको अपने फिर खुद से लिखोगे. टिल देन स्टूडेंट्स, विल मीट इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास एंड डू प्रैक्टिस ऑल द क्वेश्चंस एट योर होम. थैंक यू.